my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me so close.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. I'm so glad you decided to watch this video because that means you want to get organized too. My life is a disaster. I like to always keep it real, so here's the before footage of what my bathroom looked like. As you can tell, it needs some help. So for today's project, I enlisted my sweet husband to help. He's really handy when it comes to building things. So I asked if he could create some shelves that you place over our wire ones in our bathroom closet. We are renting, so this is the perfect project for renters. So he said he could do it, no problem. Instead of listening to me try to explain how he built these shelves, I will just go ahead and link the video that we went off of to create them. And I will also try and make a list of all of the items that he used to complete this project. I will say he said it was super simple to do and it took him less than 2 hours, which I thought was impressive. I am so terrible at explaining things, so trust me, this is just better for everyone if you just watch the video that we used. And also, if you have any specific questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll make sure James answers correctly. Here are what the shelves look like right now. I just sent James to Home Depot because I don't like how unfinished they look. So we are gonna get a darker stain, more to match the hardwood floors because I just think they're too light. And he's getting some putty to fill these holes. These are the nail holes. So he said that you won't be able to see those once everything is finished. Before we take out the shelves, I'm just playing around with how I want it to look and what organization items I want to use on each of the shelves. Obviously the taller ones I can't reach as well, so you have to be mindful of where you're placing everything. I'm going to put some bins at the bottom that just hold miscellaneous products, things I need to try or get rid of, give away, things like that. So this is what I'm working on. James just got home with this stain, so we're going to get these bad boys done and then put them back in.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love, what is love? I don't know, no one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart, maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me without you fly? 'Cause
Here are the new updated shelves. I love this color so much. I'm really glad we took them out and redid them because the other ones just looked very unfinished. So tell me what you think in the comments. I have so much mess to clean in this bathroom, so I'm gonna try and declutter, get rid of things that have expired or that are old, and then see what I'm working with and get these shelves organized.
I'm coming alive. I just wanna come alive.
I got about 5 of these turntables. These are so awesome for organizing, especially if you're organizing hair products or makeup products. I just like how you can turn them 360 degrees and see everything that you're working with. I also got this set of 4 storage bins from HomeGoods for $19.99. These are going to hold miscellaneous products that I need to test or that I need to give away. So I'm gonna put these at the bottom shelf.
Come alive.
I also got of these multi-purpose storage bins. I love the bamboo lids. They're really pretty. This is the large size, as you can see, and they're kind of expensive. They were $16.99 a piece, but they will last a long time, and I just think they look really clean and fresh, which is perfect for the bathroom. I was just about to put the bamboo boxes on the top shelves, but I actually think I'm gonna put them at the very bottom just because I am going to fill them with a lot of stuff, so they're gonna be heavy. And I just think up top would be better for a basket with some toilet paper. So I'm gonna do that now and see how it looks.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. If you wanna join, I am open for business. I can be your gun, baby, you will be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. Yeah, baby, there's no shame. We'll take it as far as we want to, so listen. Stop at any place that is better than prison. Put it all on me, I don't need the booze. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you digging me, I will take you to a place down.
So for these 3 baskets, I'm going to use them for products that I'm testing or haven't been able to open yet. So I have this bin here of different products that were either sent to me or I purchased that I just haven't had a chance to try. Or if it's like back stock of things that I know that I love, sometimes I'll buy replacements for. So I'm going to use these 3 for that. The best part about organizing for me is just kind of moving things around, seeing what's gonna work and what won't work. So sometimes I'll put them in the bins and then be like, wait, no, that won't work. And then I'll, move them around. So it won't always work on the first try, but I'm gonna get them filled and then see how I like it. Slowly but surely, we are making progress. Right now, I'm filling these bamboo storage containers. This one I'm going to be using for all of my bathroom cleaners and my toilet bowl tabs, miscellaneous stuff like that, with my Swiffer wet wipes. I'm just so thankful that this bathroom has so much storage. So these drawers by the sink I haven't even got to yet, so I'll probably show that in a separate video, but stay tuned for that. You can subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my organization projects. Obviously, you can see it's still such a mess, so I still have so much to do, but it is coming along really good. Second bamboo bin, I'm going to be keeping miscellaneous items. It's kind of like my keep all, where I just don't know where to put certain products, like different body lotions. I have so much body lotion, hand lotion, different, things like Aquaphor. I have some of Kenzie's like nail clippers and random things like that. So I'm just gonna keep it all in here until I figure out what to do with it.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Okay, here is the final transformation. I am so thrilled with how this space turned out. It is functional and everything is easy to access, which is exactly what I needed in my life. I love that I know exactly where everything is, and I really think the wood shelves elevated the whole look. And James said it took less than $100, which I thought was a good deal, especially for a place that I go to every single day. After completing this organization project, it reminded me how amazing Lazy Susans are. You guys need them in your bathroom because they hold so much product, and I also love that they spin around so that everything is easy to find. Another product that I love using in my organization videos are the Container Store shoe drawers. These are a game changer. Not only do they hold so much product, but I love that you can stack them on top of each other. That way they don't take up a ton of room. And I would say they're a pretty fair price, especially if you find them on sale. Another simple way to elevate your bathroom is to take the toilet paper out of the plastic it comes in and put it in a cute basket. I'm telling you, you guys, it's simple but functional, and it's just more appealing to the eye. That is everything for today. Thanks so much for watching. Like this video if you can, it really helps out my channel, and subscribe if you aren't already. I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.